Om Namah Shivaya. Let's practice Parivrtta Trikonasana, Revolved Triangle. So we'll start by having our feet as wide as this. Let's ground ourselves. Make sure we can find our balance. And slowly extend our arms, reaching the fingertips away from each other. We want to make sure the shoulders relax, chin parallel to the floor. Let's turn our right foot out. Just make sure we're not hyperextending our knees, and slowly turn to the right side. Fold from our hips, lengthening the trunk. Slowly lower our left fingertips down beside our foot. And if you feel comfortable, you can lower the palms down and extend the top arm up towards the sky, towards the ceiling, forming a straight line. And still engaging our inner thigh. Keep the legs strong. Slowly look down. Bring the left arm up. Slowly come up. Inhale. As we exhale, we twist back to center. Slowly relax our arms and return to parallel feet. Ground yourself and slowly turn the opposite foot out. Inhale. As we exhale, turn to the left side and slowly fold forward, lengthening the trunk. Lower our right fingertips down, lengthening the upper arm. Same thing, if you feel comfortable, palms down. Form a straight line with the arms. Breathing, breathing, breathing. So for those with a tight hamstring, the knees might be slightly bent. It's okay. Now slowly inhale, right arm up without arching your back. We're going to come up all the way and slowly twist back to center. Bring the feet parallel, relax the arms. Gently bring the feet back together. And I hope you enjoyed the practice. Now if you want a longer practice, you can click on the link below. These are the 1 hour and also 30 minutes practice. I hope to see you in the next class. Have a great day. Om Namah Shivaya.